In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Apple Notes to PDF. This is a handy skill that can help you share your notes in a universally accessible format. It's straightforward, whether you're using your iPhone or iPad, and I'll walk you through the entire process. First, open the Notes app on your device. You will see a list of your notes. Scroll through to find the note you want to convert. Once you've selected the correct note, tap on it to open it. This action is essential because it sets the stage for the conversion process. You want to ensure you are working with the right content. Take a moment to review your note, as this will be the document you will turn into a PDF. Next, look for the Share button. This icon usually appears as a square with an arrow pointing upward. Tapping this button opens a menu that gives you various options for sharing or exporting your note. This step is crucial because it allows you to access additional features that facilitate the conversion process. After tapping the Share button, you will notice several options appear on your screen. Now, from the Share menu, tap on Markup. This option lets you make some modifications to your note before converting it to a PDF. When you select Markup, the note opens in a new screen where you can draw or add text. This feature is particularly useful if you want to highlight certain parts of your note or add your thoughts. Remember, these annotations will appear in the final PDF. If you'd like, you can add annotations to the PDF at this point. Using the tools available, such as a pen or highlighter, you can personalize your PDF to better suit your needs. This step is beneficial because it allows you to enhance the information you are sharing. Once you are satisfied with your annotations, tap Done. This action saves your changes and prepares you for the next step in the conversion process. After tapping Done, you will be prompted to either choose Save File To or share the PDF directly. If you select Save File To, you can pick a location on your device where the PDF will be saved. If you opt to share, you can send it via email or other apps. Apple Notes will create a PDF copy of your note, ensuring that your original content remains intact. If you don't see Markup available, don't worry. You can also use the print method as an alternative. Start by opening the note again and tapping the Share button. This time, select Print from the options presented. This method is equally effective and can be just as quick. Once the print option is selected, you will see a print preview of your note. Now, place 2 fingers on the preview and spread them apart. This gesture will zoom into the document. You will notice that the preview transforms into a PDF format. This step is significant because it allows you to create a PDF from your note without needing additional apps or software. Once you see the PDF view, tap the Share button again. Finally, choose Save to Files to save the note as a PDF. You will be directed to a screen where you can select the location to save your newly created PDF. This step is the final touch, ensuring that your document is stored safely for future access. Remember, if your note contains a multi-page scanned document or PDF attachment, exporting through Notes may include only the first page. This is an important detail to keep in mind as you proceed. And that's it! You have successfully converted your Apple Note to a PDF. Now you can share or store your note in a format that is easily accessible and widely accepted.